A 1, 2, 3, 4. All the succulents and you do. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun.
Hey guys, so here is my coworker's plant that I brought home because I couldn't stand it anymore. It was like this. You guys, this is so stretchy, and it's like it's not even attached to the soil anymore. So I decided to take it upon myself, and look how stretchy it is. It's attenuated like big time. So I took it upon myself to just take it home, and there was some casualty happening because it just fell off of it. So I am going to repot this for her in a bigger pot, a taller one. Don't have one right now per se, but I'm gonna get one for her. And look at this stuff right here. I mean, this is not even, there's no holes underneath. It's just loose. So I'm going to add it to this. This is fast draining soil, and I'm going to give her some extra plant that will grow nicely in this planter right here. Okay, so this is what I picked for her. It's gonna match her jade plant, but I'm gonna add a jade plant along with it, and then some little tiny accoutrements to add to it. Okay, so here we go. We got this planter. There's no drainage. I don't know what to do, but it's not gonna have drainage. So we're just gonna have to watch how we water this. Right?
We stood close in the glittering lights. Shoreditch past all the neon signs. We both been waiting for this all night. Sure, I've been waiting for you to. Tell me you can take me home. Tell me you can take me home. So far from where we started from. But everywhere with you is a perfect view. You know the night is what you make it. And I'm still waiting for you to. Tell me you can take me home. Tell me you can take me home. The night is what you make it. So tell me what you're waiting for. You know the night is what you make it. And I'm still waiting for you to. Tell me you can take me home.
Pouring pebbles. That's all it is. There's my scoop. If you like these tools right here, you can get it on my Amazon website or my Amazon store. And they're really, really good to repot little pots like these. And it zeroes in on the little spots, you know, the little tiny areas. And it really, this stuff really dresses it up very nicely. Look at that, so cute. There we go, pretty. I'm gonna take a picture of it for you guys to see. How cute is that? Cute, huh? Okay. For future endeavors, future hacks. Look how cute that is. So cute. She's so lucky. Everybody's lucky that I love them. I do. Oh, how cute.